Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Medium login problems, email and account errors step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection and try opening Medium in a different tab to confirm the site loads. Close the Medium tab completely, reopen your browser, and try logging in again. Verify you are using the correct login method, because sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, and email login can be different accounts. Type your email carefully and confirm there are no spaces before or after the address. If you use Google Login, make sure you are signed into the correct Google account in your browser first. If you use Apple Login, confirm you are signed into the correct Apple ID and that two-factor prompts are approved. Click Forgot Password and request a reset link if you are using email and password login. Open the reset email and check the spam or promotions folder if you do not see it in the inbox. Wait a few minutes and request the reset link one more time if the email still does not arrive. If you use Hide My Email from Apple, check which relay email is connected to Medium in your Apple ID settings. Try logging in from an incognito or private window to rule out stored session problems. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Medium. Then restart the browser and try again. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools temporarily, because they can block login pop-ups. Allow pop-ups for Medium, because some sign-in flows open a new window that must be permitted. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic, because incorrect time can break secure logins. Try a different browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari to confirm whether the issue is browser-specific. Try logging in from another device like a phone to confirm whether the problem is your computer or the account. If you see an email already in use error, you may have created a second account with another login method. Search your email for Medium and look for old welcome or sign-in messages to identify the correct account email. If you suspect you used Google Login before, choose Google Sign-In and select the same Gmail address as in older Medium emails. If you suspect you used Apple Login before, choose Apple Sign-In and use the same Apple ID that received Medium emails. If your account seems locked or you get repeated errors, wait 15 to 30 minutes before trying again to avoid security rate limits. Turn off VPN or proxy temporarily, because Medium may block or challenge suspicious locations. Check Medium status by searching Medium status to see if there is a temporary outage. Update your browser to the latest version, because outdated versions can fail modern authentication. Update your phone app or reinstall the Medium app if the issue happens only in the mobile app. If you still cannot access the account, contact Medium support from the help page and include your email, login method, and screenshots of errors. After support replies, follow their verification steps carefully and avoid creating new accounts during the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.